Alright, well, this is the complete kitchen. Battery's kind of low, so I don't know how long I'll get to show you it, but anyway. Wine rack, upper cabinets as base, drawer bases, glass door cabinets, crown all the way around. Special because they didn't want to bump this up, so they have a special return there. Sorry about the lighting, it's probably a little dark. But that's the refrigerator cabinet space and the sink base. And from the family room, or whatever they're calling this particular space, it's pretty much everything what it looks like done. And take one more run this way around. There's the bases and the uppers. And the refrigerator space, sink space, dishwasher. The Peninsula is built out of uppers. And that's pretty much it, folks. Total real time was from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. One day, 7 a.m., 5 p.m. was completed. And that's what it looks like.